This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a duplicate layer and converting it to a smart object so every change stays reversible. Inspect image size and resolution, because fixing pixels without knowing dimensions wastes time. Next, apply Camera Raw filter for initial denoise and sharpening controls. Use the detail and noise reduction sliders to reduce blocky artifacts while preserving edges. Once done, set the layer blending to normal and move to targeted repair. This preserves your original and gives you precise control for the next steps. You now focus on detailed fixes. Use spot healing for speckles and the patch tool for larger blocks, sampling clean areas. Work at 100% zoom to avoid overcorrection. For crispness, duplicate the smart object, apply high pass around 0.5 to 2 px, and set the blend to overlay or soft light to restore perceived sharpness. Then, if needed, perform frequency separation. This lets you edit color and texture independently, so smoothing won't blur fine detail. Make sure to use low opacity brushes and subtle Gaussian blur settings. You finish by selectively sharpening edges with Smart Sharpen or Unsharp Mask, keeping radius low so you avoid halos. Then add a small amount of uniform noise, around 0.5 to 2%, to blend textures and remove the plastic look that denoising can create. Make sure to view at full resolution before exporting. If you see halos or exaggerated artifacts, reduce the sharpen radius, lower the layer opacity, or step back to your smart object and redo the high pass or frequency separation with subtler settings. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.